Hey folks, thought we'd give you a little tour of our studios at Sunburst Hollow. This is David Voorhees in Zirconia, North Carolina. I have the downstairs and Molly has the upstairs. So let me give you a little outside tour first and we'll take you inside. So we have a real nice area here. We got 4 acres and gardens and lots of trees and all that kind of stuff. So I built this studio in, probably 15 years ago. Never have finished it. Will do so, but I wanted to show you my kilns to start with. I have 2 big outdoor kilns. This one is a wood-fired kiln, and it's actually a car kiln. The red part is the door that rolls out on the track, and you can kind of peek in there. I can put 250 pots or so in there. It also features a little pizza oven, which is always fun. At the end of the firing, we have some great pizzas. And this is the firebox end of it. So this is where we put the wood in. We start it with the wood down in the bottom part and end up with most of the firing's done in the top thing. And the little door is just a little shut and they're insulated. So this kiln takes 36 hours to fire or more. It uses lots of wood. You can see I've got a big pile here. It takes about 1.5 cords to fire it, so I like to have at least 2 cords when I'm ready for firing. And I usually have 5 or 6 people to help me fire. So recently I built this smaller kiln, which is a gas-fired kiln. It's actually done with a number of friends. And we have only fired it once. We're getting ready to fire it again when the coronavirus hit, so we are kind of waiting till we can kind of gather as a group to do that. So that will be fun to have some different styles that can be created by the different firing types. So this is my outdoor kiln shed. We'll go inside and take a look. I'll give you a little tour of the inside of my studio too.